announcing the most diverse ecosystem of connectivity solutions available in the industry today. We're enabling you to make smarter, faster decisions for your fleet by offering options to fit your company's needs, including device, mobile phone, and OEM embedded technology, making it easy to monitor your fleet of connected vehicles and drivers, for simple location identification to more complex route and behavior pattern analytics, and by helping you address distracted driving and see results through behavior-changing incentive and gamification options. Are you ready to reduce fuel costs, improve day-to-day fleet monitoring, and have peace of mind that your company's policies are being followed? Join us as we lead the way with the largest telematics pure-play partners, providing connectivity options for complex safety, fleet, and operational needs. Learn more about our connectivity solutions offerings at elementfleet.com.